How to link Riot accounts to Xbox Game Pass. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can link Riot accounts to Xbox Game Pass. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Riot Games account, just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see my account button and click on it. Then in the box displayed, click on settings. Then on the settings page or the account management page, the next thing to do is to scroll down until you can see connected accounts. Alright, so connected account is found under Riot account signing. So once you can see that, the next thing to do is to click on Xbox. Alright, so just click on it. And then after clicking on it, you'll be redirected to Microsoft's page where you'll be asked to sign in into your Microsoft account since Xbox is found on that Microsoft store. So this is the page as you can see, and then my email address has been added automatically. So click on next. If you do not have an account, ensure you create one, okay? And then a code will be sent to your email. So all you need to do now is to go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, click on the search box and then type out your Gmail inbox. Then click on Gmail and you'll be directed to your inbox page. So on this page, you would see that a code has been sent already to you. So just select it and then copy the code. Alright, so just go ahead and copy the code, Ctrl C, then go back to the page and then Ctrl V to paste the code and click on sign in. Alright, so go back again to check if it's the new code that has just been sent to you in case you face that issue too. So once the code has been sent to you, type in the code and then click on sign in, and then you'll be taken to your Xbox page and then you'll be asked to log in into your Xbox account as well. Ensure you log in and then after entering in your login details, your Xbox account will be connected automatically to your Riot Games account. So that's just it. It is very simple. So this is how you can connect your Xbox account to your Google account. Thanks for watching. To your Riot Games account, sorry. Thanks for watching and have a